Why is it so slow? I don't know. What is broken in? No, 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 no. Okay. Okay, I guess maybe it's my computer so slow. Hello? Well, I don't see the video. I hope everything is fine. Uh, Finally, there's a way for us to know from which magic funnel our leads come from. It's been over 3 months. I've looked for this. Um, so I will show you what I mean because I will show you, but I need to hide something from you. So I put my things here. Okay. Why do I need to hide? Because otherwise you will see the emails and after you will do something bad with them. I don't know what. So this is a column, our leads list, and you see from colon and params colon. Usually when we use the money making funnels, we see information like from which domain name they have registered, and in params we can see some, well, stuff sometimes when we click on the eye icon. So, but for magic funnels, it was like this, empty in the from colon and empty in the params, and there was no way to put something here. So I've looked, I've asked Eric Salgado, the CEO, Chelly Turner, the woman who knows everything about Builderall, and I asked support, Facebook group. They didn't know. They didn't tell me it's not possible. They say, I don't know, or try this, try that, but nothing worked. And finally, Eric told his developers to do it. So the name of the hidden field is this one, Cadastro underscore origem, which means origin in Portuguese, and unfortunately, in a lot of places, you have those kind of words, in Portuguese, when the basis should be English for everything in the code, but no, they do it in Portuguese, and this is bad, but now they cannot change it. It will need, it should have been from the start, to put names in English with no mistakes. So anyway, it doesn't matter, because where do you use this Cadastro origem? It's in, so for instance, so I hide this. For instance, in this Builderall website, I have a form here which asks first name, email, and password, and then it creates. So it creates a Builderall account for free. So you go to Elements, and here to add a new hidden field, you click on the plus sign on the gray box here, and you add hidden field. You choose the type hidden field, and then when you edit, in the tag you put Cadastro underscore origem. Needs to be exactly like this, of course, otherwise it doesn't work. And in the value you can put what you want. So here I put my domain name of this website, and then okay, you confirm everything. So when they submit this form, a new Builderall account is created, and then the value of Cadastro origem appears in the from column. So I will hide again. I'll show you. Voilà. Up. So here you can see I have several with this, and there are quite a few here. But before I didn't know where they came from, because I have others, like for instance this one. This is the tool I made to track Builderall affiliates, just do all. and after I put the name of the language they use, and then which page they are on. Here is a 48 hours page for statistics, and it is useful for me just to know that, for instance, the last two they are French. Here there is another French, and that's it. But after a while, when Google will send me traffic to those pages, I hope that there will be more than this. Of course, the problem in Builderall is that we can't we don't know the language of the dashboard of each lead, because it will be useful if we want to talk only to those who have put their dashboard in English or in French, and just in the message center, if we could send message. I know there is automatic translation, but when you do automatic translation of the message, the link that you send people to, there's only one link. So, and especially for French people, but I'm sure for other language too, like Portuguese, especially for French people, you cannot send them to an English page, a page with the English text, because maybe you don't know this, but it's not like exaggerated claim that French people don't know English. It's you can look up on the internet for rankings of France in the English proficiency. You will see that we are at the bottom of the European Union. In Europe, you have Italian, Spanish. They are not very good in English, but French, we are at the bottom, behind the countries from Eastern Europe. And this is not because French are stupid and they cannot learn English. They could, but it's a system in France, a system at the state level that, starting from school and in everyday life, it's you can look up for why it's like this, but the fact is that it's a reality. I would say 95 or more percent, 95% of French people, they can't read English and cannot use it. I think it's more than 90. It's like 100%. Only 1% maybe are at ease with English. When they go to a page, they can work it out. Only 1%. So it means for most people, don't send French traffic to an English page, even if it's simple English, like hello, please download here. Okay, if there is only one button, maybe they will click, but most of them, they will go back, because as soon as it's in English, they know that even if they click download, after the whatever they download will be in English, so it's finished. They don't want that. So it would be nice in a message center to be able to send a different link depending on language, especially for French people. If I want to send because at the moment, since I have French people and a few other languages, a few other leads, but I communicate only for French people, in fact, and it's automatically translated to English, but the link will be in French, and this is even worse for American people. If I send to a French page, they will not bother as well, because they don't know talk French for sure. But at least I can understand this way. The American don't know to speak French, okay, but for the French not to speak English, this is bad, because we should all speak English, all, in every country, at least to have to be proficient in 2 languages. So the last things I want to say about this magic funnel is that there is a new hidden field as well. It's a cadastro _téléphone. Téléphone in Portuguese, so it's a TELEFONE. O-N-E. Yes. So cadastro underscore telephone should not be hidden field. It should be a normal field but optional. And if people enter their phone number, it will be useful for two new tools of Builderall. One is to send SMS, but it is a paid service. You need to buy credits, and each SMS you send to your leads will cost you depending on the country it is sent to. So this one is the SMS tool, and the other one is the WhatsApp app application, mobile app. So if they have, if the phone number they write in your field is correct and it is associated with a WhatsApp account, then you will be able to send messages to WhatsApp to your leads, like an email autoresponder. It's a new tool from Builderall, and it's free. So it can be useful to add it, but me personally, I don't put it for now. We'll see later, but you know, the less fields you have, the better it is. Because at the moment, on this one, I have free, and you know, I was thinking about not putting the password. Because if you don't put a password, then Builderall creates one for them, and when they log in, when they go to the office, if the session is still the same, they don't need to enter the password, and they are shown the password, and they are told if you want to change it, you can. But this is not good. I think for French people, I mean always, because after, if it doesn't happen like this very quickly and they don't understand, then after they will never be able to get back password, reset their password, and things like this. So I added this field. But the less fields you have, the better the chances that people enter. Even the first name, it would be better not to put it and have only your email. Enter your email, opens a new account. But to do this for first name, it is mandatory, so you need to put it in hidden field and put a standard first name. And for password, that's the problem I told you. It creates a random password for them. So adding a phone, a new field for phone, and say, oh, it's optional, it will be four fields, and most people will not enter them, will not submit the form. So I don't put it because I'm not using WhatsApp myself, and I don't intend on sending SMS for now, so I don't put it. Okay, that's the two news: cadastro underscore OEGM and cadastro underscore telephone in Portuguese with the E at the end. Okay, bye bye.